I've got Nad's nose wax kit here. Let me see here. How can I? The lighting is not great. This is exactly what I was expecting when I said I would start doing this. Things that are going to make me go, ow. So Sarah's warming up the wax right now. Man, you know, you guys don't always have to hurt me or gross me out. You can send me nice things too. That'll be great. So I was opening this up, and I was absolutely delighted. I got to show this. It came with a sheet of tattoo mustaches. This is going to be a blast. I can't wait. It came with a thank you. And I want to thank you, Laura, for sending me this and really kickstarting this thing. I just heard the microwave beep, so it might be time to play with these things. Sarah is stirring up the wax, and it's about to get
Hold on, you gotta
really real.
Test the temperature. It's hot.
Okay, so Sarah doesn't want to maim me, so she's telling me I have to wait, and I appreciate that. Oh, they're mustache protectors.
No. It said to stir it thoroughly.
Uh-huh. These aren't tattoos, these are protectors.
Oh, so you don't pull out your mustache?
Give me 1 second here. Here, let me...
Okay, put it in your nose.
Oh my gosh, it's all over the place, Sarah.
It's okay, that's what they said to do.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay. It's in my nose.
That's one side.
Well, we can... Do we have to do them both at the same side?
Yes, we gotta do both sides.
I guess we're doing both at the same side, guys.
So you can't chicken out on the other side. Stick that one in there.
Okay, yeah, I guess there's no turning back.
Stick it in there.
Hold on, got it. Hold on.
And it said to leave it in there for like 60 seconds.
Okay. All right. Actually, Jade,
I'm watching the clock.
The deal was, I said, if you buy it, I try it. There's not much thinking it through. It's just keeping your word. I'm doing the best I can with it. And,
Zane.
Man, so,
Zane.
Zane wanted to see this, but he's gone.
Zane.
I feel like an awkward walrus.
See your dad.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, they're stuck in my nose.
Zane, last chance.
Come
on the other side.
So,
Come on the other side.
Man. Laura, you're awesome. I want to thank you for being the first to send me something so people can see I'm serious about this.
Hold on.
Oh. Yeah, thanks, Jade.
Get off of that. Let Zane pull one.
Okay, Zane's going to pull one. And Sarah's...
1, 2, 3.
Who thinks of these things?
Here, he needs a Kleenex.
Oh, here. Oh my gosh. Oh. I'm crying. I mean, it's like, oh.
There's absolutely no way.
Oh, man. Am I bleeding?
No.
Okay.
You just got some wax stuck in your nose.
Oh. Oh.
What are you getting into?
Oh, there's not that much blood.
There's blood?
There's just like a teeny drop, yeah. And if I wasn't on blood thinners, it probably wouldn't be bleeding at all. Oh, that was every bit as bad as I anticipated it to be. Man, but right here on the box it says, I mean, look at it, right here. Look at this lie. 9 out of 10 say it's painless. Can anybody read that? It's not really coming into focus. It's a lie. Oh, man. So Sarah's going to show me up and show everybody what a sissy I am.
I got a boogie.
Where's it at?
Oh, mother effer. 1, 2, 3. Oh, shit.
Oh, well, I don't have that.
Okay, language.
No.
John might be able to hook me in.
Oh, man, that around my wrist is all up in my hairs, too.
See, I think I just got, like,
I won't run anything.
wax. There's, like,
Wow.
very little fine
And it's probably why people say it's painless.
hairs.
Your brother just decided to pull the hairs out of his nose with wax.
I didn't just decide to do that. I made a promise that if somebody bought me something, I would try it.
I'll do
So,
the other side. Give me another one.
all right. Sarah said she's going to do the other side.
Now doing it.
Oh,
It's down in there.
What?
that feels weird. I got wax stuck up in there. It feels like boogers.
Yeah, I got it too. It's oh my gosh, I have no nose
It
hairs
feels
left.
like naked in there.
Yeah,
My nose is naked. It feels like
that is the strangest thing.
boogers. Wax boogers in my nose. I gotta pick it. Ow!
Okay, well, I thought it was plugged into my
Okay, guys. So
because I can't get the app on my TV. So maybe we can get it.
don't say it.
Maybe we can
Oh.
and,
See that one?
that hooked up.
All right.
It's this wax.
So
Nose particles.
all right, guys.
Ow. Shit.
This was
Is that booger?
Yeah.
No, that's wax.
So,
wow. All right. So I got no nose hairs
sit on.
now. The pain didn't last that long. I was thinking today that I was going to trim my nose hairs anyway, and then this showed up in the mail. So that was great foresight, Laura. Thank you very much for getting this out to me.
You want to do that?
The pain is gone, and I can't breathe any better. But I got wax in my nose now. But yeah, it works super great. I have no nose hair. My nose feels naked, but yeah. So if you're looking to get rid of all of your nose hair, right here, this stuff works really, really well. The pain doesn't last that long, and guys, product testing's done. Thank you very much, Laura, for sending me this. You buy it, I try it, and just go ahead and share this. If you want to, invite your friends to the page so that I can get more people sending me stuff. That's what my wife would look like with a mustache. She's still hot. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.